Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on the Threads app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials, which includes your Instagram account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you will see various different threads that have been made by other users. Now, if you wish to edit your profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and now you will see the edit profile option. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will show you your profile right away. You can make your profile private by tapping on the private profile toggle button, and if you turn this on, your profile will be set to as private. You can tap on the bio section and you will be able to edit your bio by typing in whatever you wish for your bio. You can also tap on import bio from Instagram, and this will import your bio from your Instagram right away. Tap on add link if you wish to add any link to your profile, which will redirect the visitors to your profile into this link or page. Your name cannot be changed as it is associated with your Instagram account, and you will need to change your Instagram name in order to change your name on Threads. However, you can tap on your profile picture and you will be able to choose a new profile picture by either importing from Instagram or by using your gallery. Once you have made your desired changes, tap on the done button at the top right corner, and this will save your changes on the Threads app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your profile on Threads. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.